what I'm going to do is take the cone out of the skirt, and I'm going to fold it over like that and just mark the centre. I'll do it with this permanent marker, and that is a guide to show me where to place this angel. Now this is the fiddly bit, you've got to get it just right. Best not to need too much glue around here. I'm going to pin this before I glue it. Check everything is in the right place. Bend that round. Now you don't know if you can get her through here. No, you can't. I wonder. I'm just going to try something else. It should go through there, really. It's a case of rolling everything up. Right, it's coming through. This will be a test of whether it is really glued in place nicely. Just ease the wings out. Now, I'm going to twist her round so that she's laying flat down the centre. If you look at the design, this is the centre. We've got a loose thread there. What do you think? That positioning is not too bad. You do get threads everywhere when you're working with black felt, and that's not too bad. Now what you could do is you could leave that in place, and I put the pins in the wrong way around and put some glue up to hold it in place, and this is how I hold the pellum in place. I'm just going to make that nice and neat across. The skirt's holding it all in place. Now I'm going to show you a couple of the options. I'm going to struggle with that later on and see what I can do about taking out those pins and making it permanent. But I'm quite pleased with how that's gone together. This is one of my samples of the apron. I have another video showing you how I made this, and this has got freestanding lace in the middle. So that goes up there and needs to be attached. And then in true Norwegian style, a little bag needs to be, and I think they wear them that side, needs to be attached. And that is the Norwegian traditional bunad. Somebody will tell me whether I'm saying it correctly, I'm sure. So that is the traditional one, and I am going to be making up my cream one. I got this idea from a beautiful photograph as I saw of 3 Norwegian ladies in traditional costume, and it looked absolutely gorgeous. But I haven't done the top for that, so I'll show that soon. And probably this bag should have been black. If your wings flap a little bit too much, you can add a little bit of starch to keep them in place. I'm reluctant to place that on completely at the moment. Let's put a pin in place so that you can see. There we are, a little bit better. And a couple of stitches at the side there will hold the apron a little bit flatter if necessary. And the bag goes like that. So, that's our two of our costumes. As you can see, this is what she looks like at the back. You've still got this area here that's not looking great. It may be that you're using her for a situation where that doesn't matter. You could put that over. And the other option is that there is a cape. I shall be showing you that in another video, how it's constructed. These are the, let's put those over there. These are the two segments, and I've made this red one, and they go together, form a cape which sits at the back. So that is another of your options. And of course, before I go, and I will be doing more videos on these angels, if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find a playlist on all the angels that I've created. This is my fourth, and we do have a Father Christmas as well. And the basic shape and size of the angel is the same. So if you liked the wings that came with one of the other angels, there is no reason why you cannot use it for this. And not everything will interact perfectly, because there are slight variations depending on how the angel was created. And if you're going to do that, I suggest you make templates or you test it all out in your software and measure. Most of the wings and most of the skirts are interactable. Thank you for watching. Do leave a comment, and when you make your angel, don't forget to send me some photos so that we can inspire everybody else, because every angel is unique. There are so many options, and until next time, happy embroidering.